guys, I got a new parrot called Pixie. Yeah, your name's Pixie, I know. Anyway, so beautiful she is. Oh no. Yeah, I am. Beautiful as well. So Pixie, do you want to say hi? What do you mean you don't want to say hi? Why? You don't know. You don't have to be shy. You're always brave and you're never shy. What if I gave you... I don't know actually. What are you scared of? Yeah, you should tell us. Us, because there's people watching. It's called internet, and you don't see any people. They watch it on the internet. Internet is not weird. Whatever. So what are you scared of? Sorry? Teddies? Oh, okay, you're scared of teddies. You're very scared of them, okay. She doesn't like teddies. Did I say her name? If I didn't, her name's Pixie. I did at the start, didn't I? Yeah. Okay, we don't say idiot, okay? We don't say idiot. Anyways, you're cheeky, aren't you? Maybe. Oh. Okay. Well, you're gonna be a good girl. No. Maybe not. Oh, it's a maybe. Maybes aren't yeses. Let's see what you're gonna think about it. You're gonna say no or yes. Okay, whatever. You have no idea. So you're the loudest squawker I've ever heard. / talker. Yeah, you are the loudest squawker. Maybe you are. What? Yes, you are. You said it maybes mean yeses. Sometimes. Anyways, I've got to end the video here. Bye.